High flow rates. Designed to provide exceptional flow rates and a consistent flow of oil to your engine. Versatile compatibility. Designed to operate with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. Protect your engine. Pleated synthetic blend filtration media removes most harmful contaminants. Extensively tested. Laboratory tested to ensure excellent capacity and burst strength. Easy to remove. Fast and easy wrench-off removal. Heavy-duty construction. Heavy-duty canister for outstanding durability. No hassle warranty. 1-year limited warranty. High capacity. Withstand the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. KN premium oil filters are meticulously engineered to offer outstanding filtration and engine protection. The heavy-duty canister is engineered to be exceptionally durable, and a 1-inch welded hex nut can be used for quick and easy filter removal. Each filter is specifically designed to withstand the service intervals recommended by vehicle manufacturers, and is protected by the KN 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Bought for my 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. Fit and installed just fine. I almost took the lazy route and didn't put on the new O-ring that came with it, but my friend highly recommended I do. Everything went together fine and isn't leaking.